Hi, welcome to my channel, Koshaiki. Today briefly I wanna talk about the trading, how you can do, but the most important, don't do the trades on the phone. Whatever you want to do trades, if you think about this one as a professional and as a business properly, do it on the PC, on your computer or your laptop, because basically they are the best one. They give you the most value which you can do. You can see properly trend, you can zoom in, zoom out. You have other options which I'll show you in a second, but don't do trades on the phone, and I will just show you in a second why you shouldn't do this one. Okay, let's go now to my account. I will show you why you shouldn't do this one now, trading on your phone. For example, ventilate, then you can put, for example, you can see you have nice chart and everything, like on the FX option, nice line, everything goes smooth. But what will happen if you put, for example, 2 extra indicators? Sorry, look on this. What will happen when you put extra 2 indicators? Assume as a oscillator standard, and for example, where is it? Stochastic oscillator, standard one. Look, you can't see properly. You don't see the candles now that massively. That's good. How should be. Then basically I can put them. So I just want to have the phone big. Huh? We'll have some fun over there under the account. Then basically, look at now. You can't see after you purchase. You don't see properly the candle. You can't see the candle. Then how you might predict it? You need to go zoom in so tight. I think that's maximum which I can do. Now you can see candle, but you can't see anything else. That's the problem, because you don't know where is properly resistance, where is properly support. You can put yourself some lines, but still, always good to have bigger picture. And for example, if any of you would trade on the 2 charts, you can't do this one on the mobile. You can have 1 chart, switch quickly to click on the next one, and comparing. Maybe that's, maybe those. You know, it's not properly like it should be, in my opinion. The same, like you don't have full options. You have some news in here, price movements, video tutorials, fair enough, charts, and tokens, and that's the last one, pending close and everything. But I really don't recommend anyone trading on the phones. Even if you make some profit, sometimes it's not always the best one. Like I like to watch, for example, 5 and 15 minutes charts on my trading. Then basically on this one I need to switch for the 15. Now calculate. I still don't see the candle. Oh, now it's something. It's very tiny and everything. It's basically rubbish. Like yesterday I was experimenting with the trade on this one. Sorry. And I couldn't see properly the candle, that I make wrong decision, because the candle looks very tiny. And on the real, when I opened the laptop after this one to check how properly looks like, looks bigger than I expect. That I make wrong decision and I lose some this I just some this our virtual money, since that was just for fun, like I say, just virtual money. But don't trend on the phone like this one. Now I have little fun with the virtual money, which is going down, going up, pull up. Okay, let's go to see how much you can do on the normal one. And 200. Then so now you can see the difference. For example, that was on the phone before, now it's on the laptop. How much clear is this one in here? Even if you put some indicators from the different of the FOREX in here, it looks more clear. You can see properly candles, and you can properly predict it and see then today on 12:15 that start to slowly dropping down. We have massive movement, little pullback, now it's go up. Then if you not cross this one, you can pretend that will go up. It's much more clear. You have portfolio, history, charts, leader, which one that wasn't on the other one. Even sometimes you always have the tournaments. I'm not sure that's still available on this moment, but we have calendar, forex calendar, earning one, crypto. The same tutorials you can see. It's much more clear. And for example, you can have two charts on the same time to see properly. You can put the amounts in here more quicker, faster. It's much more better and easier to trade on the laptop than on the basically on the phone. And like I said before, I don't highly recommend anyone. If somebody wants to, then fair enough, but you can have more better value of trading and seeing what's going on the market basically from the laptop or your PC. Then it's no problem about this one, switching and everything, checking the, for example, I can check daily how it's going. It's my information. For example, checking daily, it takes me just few seconds on this, compare on 15 minutes how it's going. It's much more easier. Than don't listen to other guys, for example, which I did tell you. That you can see some videos which are how they trading on your phones and everything. If they do that, that's fine for them, but I don't believe they make a lot of money and they properly trading every single day on the phones, because you can't see everything on the phone. Basically, it's like, for me, phone is like demo version of this what you can have on the laptops. Then if you like my video, subscribe, like it, share with your friends. If you're really thinking about the trading and you're interested about the investing money, click my affiliate link below to open your free account, and after that you get my full support, my strategies with all my calculations about the money management and everything else. Then that's it. Thank you.